Hey guys, Sabellan here. Today we're doing a very exciting unboxing. This is something I've been looking forward to getting for a long time now, since they've been released. It's the NVIDIA GeForce RTX2070. This is the Gigabyte WindForce edition, so it's about a $800, $900 Canadian card, compared to say the 2080 and the 2080 Ti, which range from $1,100 for the 2080 and $1,500 to $1,700 for the 2080 Ti. That's here in Canada though. So this is the RTX card. This is GDDR6. It has 8 gigs of video memory. It's the WindForce 3.0 cooler, so it's got 3 80mm fans. It's got RGB, which is everything needs to have RGB nowadays, but I don't mind not having RGB. Like, my keyboard here is only a red keyboard, and it's got a metal black plate. Yeah, so this has DisplayPort, 3 display ports, an HDMI and a USB-C. You need to have at least 1.5 gigs of hard drive space, a 550 watt power supply, Windows 10, 7, Linux. You need one 6-pin and one 8-pin. So let's get into the box here. This is the highest end graphics card I've ever owned. I've only ever had like the 1050, the 50 series, and I had a 1063 gig. So the 2070 is comparable to a GTX 1080. So just like the 2080 is compared to a 1080 Ti, and then the Ti is comparable to the 2080 Ti is comparable, I would say, close to a Titan. So in this like envelope kind of thing, you got your quick start guide and your Gigabyte RS driver software, and your RGB and your RS, however the hell you want to say it, software. So put that off to the side. And then next you're presented with the graphics card. So this is, as I was saying before, this is the 2070. Pull it out of the plastic. It's a very nice looking card. You got your 3 80mm fans. And with the Gigabyte ones, I don't know about the Strix ones or the MSI ones. These 2 fans will spin this way, and this one will spin the opposite way. It's a really nice card. You got 2 heat pipes coming out the back, then you got 2 heat pipes coming towards the front. So, and then you got your PCI 16X. Then here we got our 3 display ports, 1, 2, and 3, which I don't use. I have to use HDMI because my monitor doesn't have display port. You got your HDMI, and then this one, which is new to the RTX cards, is USB Type-C. So you got the metal black back plate. I almost keep saying black plate. It's metal back plate, which adds some rigidity to the card. You can see a pretty beefy cooler inside there. And then on this side here's your 8-pin power and your 6-pin power. This is RGB, the Gigabyte. Right here it says RTX. It's engraved in the plastic. So let's get my desktop set up so we can put this into it. Okay, now we got my desktop set up here. This is something I haven't released on the channel yet. I've just been working on this for the past year. But this is my new desktop. It's built in an NZXT S340 Elite case, so this whole side is tempered glass. But I think after I upload this video, I'll have a video dedicated to this exact computer. So let's get the RTX card installed. So I've already run the power cables. So it requires the 8 and the 6 pin. So let's get this installed here nice and gently. I don't want to have to RMA this card. This is very expensive and I don't have a graphics card to put into this if I have to RMA this card. So let's get the power, 8-pin and a 6-pin. Get these cables run a little bit nicer. As much as that. Okay, now we need the thumb screws for the back of the case. I need to grab my screwdriver. These thumb screws are a little bit hard to put in. Where they're located is kind of a pain to get your thumb in here. So I usually just use a screwdriver to put it in.
I don't want to hear it anymore. I don't want to hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. There's no way that you make it.
And then we have a block off plate so they don't slide around. Look back here.
Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
The reasoning for me to buy an RTX card, even though nothing supports ray tracing currently, is I needed an upgrade from a 1060 with the games I play for like Forza Horizon 4, Far Cry 5 and stuff like that. The 1060 didn't really cut it. So I needed to upgrade to something. So I thought, and when I was talking to the guys at Memory Express, they said not really to bother with the 1080 because the 2070 and the RTX series is out. It's a newer architecture, the Turin cores, GDDR6 versus GDDR5. So it was a debate I had to do in the store and get some more information about the cards. So I did have to wait a little while to get this card as it was on back order because it's apparently a pretty popular card. So I had to wait a little while. This is just to show you guys the RGB of the card. So as you guys can see, the Gigabyte is all lit up nicely. And it changes colors. So yeah, so that's basically the unboxing and install of the Gigabyte WindForce RTX2070. If you guys have any questions about the RTX series of cards, shoot me a message or put a comment down below. I'll be happy to help the best I can. And then you should be seeing a video on this computer shortly. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you dislike. And then let me know how I can improve my channel. I know I've been gone for I think a couple months, maybe even a year, but I'm back. I'm currently in school, so I try and do this as much as I can. But thanks for watching, and goodbye.